Welcome everyone. Today we are going to install VMware Workstation. So how we can do that? So first of all, open the Chrome browser and search here VMware download. Okay. When you search the VMware download in Google, the first link will appear. So just click on first link and it will open. Just wait. My internet is slow, I think so, but it is open. Okay. So when you scroll down the site, this is the official VMware site. When you scroll down the site, you can see here the setup. Okay, we are going to download VMware Workstation for PC. Okay, so this one. Okay, so click download now. When you click download now, it will redirect you to another page. Here you have to sign in with your credential. If you don't have credential, you can create your credential here. Okay, so here you can add your email id, then you will get an otp, then enter the otp and some necessary detail, then you can create your own account here. Okay, I have already created my account, so I'll just sign in with my account. Okay, so I click next. When you create your account, you just click next. Okay, and sign in with your account. The sign in is successful. Okay, so this is the page after you log in with your credential will open. Okay, so in the left hand side you can see my downloads tab. Okay, you have to click just on my downloads tab, and when you click here it will open. Okay, here is the free software download available here. Okay, so click here. After, we have to search our VMware Workstation Pro. Okay, so we are going to use VMware Workstation Pro. So just click in the last here. Okay, so VMware Workstation Pro, click on VMware Workstation Pro and it will open. And now we will select which platform we want to install. So we are going to install an Windows platform. So just simply I will click on Windows, VMware Workstation Pro for Windows. Now you can see that there are many multiple release, so I'll just select the latest one. Okay, so select the latest one, and now you can see here you have to accept the terms and condition. You can check this terms and condition until you read the terms and condition. So I'll redirect this page. Just click on this page and open here. Okay, this is all are the terms and conditions, so I have opened this page. Okay, so now we can check this. Okay, now we have checked the terms and condition checkbox, and now we can download. Okay, here just click here and it will going to be download. So I'll click here and it will download. Yes, we have to fulfill our address. Okay, so it asks for some details. I'll fulfill my details, and when I do that it will going to be finished. Okay, so I'll use my details. So I have updated my address. Now I'll submit here. Thanks. And now just wait, it will going to download. Let's click again. Now it asks me where I want to download, so I have select the path, and now the setup is downloading. Okay, now it's downloaded. Just wait for some 1 or 2 minutes, it will download. Okay, the setup is downloaded successfully. Now you can see the setup is downloaded successfully. Okay, so this is the VMware setup, and we have to just open it, and you can right click on it and open it, and double click on it and just direct run. Okay, I'll double click on it and it will run. It will ask you to ask well about the permission. You just have to say yes. Okay, so click on yes, and when you click on yes, you can see the VMware workstation preparing to install. Okay, so just wait little longer. Okay, so setup is the wizard is open. Okay, welcome to the VMware workstation setup. So click next, accept all the terms and conditions. There are many terms and conditions, you can read it if you want. So I'll click just next. Install hypervisor platform automatically. No, I don't want currently, so I'll just click next. Okay, with default. Okay, add VMware workstation, add to my path. Okay, next. Okay, just click on next. Okay, I want an desktop icon or not. So let's see, I want desktop icon. Yes, yes. Click next and click on install. So just wait little longer. It will download, setup and install it. Okay, so just wait. Okay, so the installation is complete successfully. So just click on finish. So we have installed our VMware workstation. You can see the icon. Okay, so thanks for this amazing video you see and until the end. So thanks for watching, and if you like this video you can subscribe my channel. Okay, so bye bye, see you next time.